Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. So today is another day in Poznan, Poland. I start my video a bit late today because we were busy preparing something because this weekend we will go somewhere to have a family gathering. We will have attend the first communion of Damian's niece, and we will have a big family gathering. So yeah, now it's time to go explore. So today I will take you to one biggest lake, I think, in here in Poznan. So yeah, let's see how it is. Look at the blue sky. And that's the Gothic style basically, and in front of me the Rynek Ježecký seems like pack of people and all the shops are opened. So today I'll take you to go to the tram. We will buy the ticket to go to the tram number 8. Let's go. So this is the tram number 8. So from Rynek Ježecký we go to Rondo Śródka, and then the tram will come in 8 minutes. So basically this is the view from the tram, and we will pass cathedral, but we are not going to the cathedral church, we are going to the lake. So that's down there is basically the Warta River. So nice. So in front of me is the Cathedral Church. And I'll show you, this is actually inside of the tram. It is very clean. So we just arrived in the Rondo Śródka, and that's basically the tram, and now it's time to go to that way. That way is actually the Malta Lake. That's beautiful church. So we cannot straightforward cross the street, but we have to go down. Let's go down. The beautiful weather today. It was chilly for me, that's why I'm wearing my winter jacket, but now it's pretty hot, and it's just cost me around 4 zloty for the 15-minute drives. And inside the tram is very nice, comfortable, aircon, and yeah, it's very affordable. It's basically whenever you use the public transportation here, so nice. Oh, look at this nice train. Oh, bye. I think that this train is going around there. Maybe I will try it. Oh, maybe I will try later because the lady said every 1 hour. So I have to wait another 1 hour. Let's arrive in the biggest lake in Poznan. It's called Malta Lake, and this is the information about the birds that is living here. See, everything written in Polish, and they have the kaczko bar. So if you pay 2 zloty, you can feed them. So you cannot feed the bird with the bread, remember that. And in front of me, this is the biggest lake in Poznan. Look at this, look at the dandelion, and look at the fountain over there. Wow. And I think that is restaurant there by the lake, getting ready to open. Look at this beautiful green lake, big, amazing. Wow, and clean. So what I really like about Poznan is that wherever you go, like 5-10 minutes already, boom, green, nature, and so it's a nice city basically, and it's very comfortable, enjoyable. The most important thing, safe. This one is the Malta port. Basically, whenever you want to do a sport like a kayak or maybe boat, I'm not sure about that. So you will start it from here, from this spot basically. And that behind over there, that's the building, is the Galleria Malta, which is the mall if I'm not mistaken. But we don't go to the mall. I feel like I wanna take the train because it's very long and big lake. So yeah, let's go back there to take the train. The beautiful park Maltanski, and this one is a very informational, educational about the Fortech in Poznan. And actually it was built in 1815, something like this. Give you the information. Sorry, 827 by Leopold von Bries basically. And that's the fourth Reformation. And this is the information, and this one is actually the design. You see, 1837, 1842. And then this is how they built. This one, 1845, is just like this, and they still keep it until now. Wow, a piece of history. So if you ask me, are you allowed to swim here? Look at this one, 1.5 feet, and this one, the sign, so cannot swim like a duck. This is the map basically. You see, we are here, and this one, if we walk here, oh my goodness, it's so huge, right? And then I prefer to go by the train. So yeah, I decided to buy one chocolate ice cream while waiting for the train. It's about in a half hour. So yeah, it's a bright sunny day. It's nice breeze, hot. Amazing. I will buy the ticket then. This one basically is the map of the attraction here in the Malta scheme. You see 1 until 30. So yeah, we take the train here, and then I will take the number, this one. Oh no, this one, work days. This way we will go around the Malta Lake by this small train. Very nice. We are already in the mini train and we are ready to go. Let's go. See, some people are so friendly. And this is actually inside the train. So clean, nice. And green garden everywhere. Look at this. Nice. Very nice. Oh, there is a one restaurant actually there. Fancy. We passed actually a kind of a green park. Very nice breeze, enjoyable. Station. Actually, some passengers coming from this one and here. Oh, there are so many brand new things gonna be built here. Malta View PL. I think it's gonna be a brand new hotel facing the lake. Right, so we just stopped in the Termimaltanski Poznan, and we will see what is it behind this, because I see that this is like a swimming pool, but I didn't bring my swimsuit today. I just want to show you around how it is. So basically inside this building there are thermal swimming pool and outside slide, something like that, and the plaza, the place to chill. And yeah, basically that it is. So we just stopped there in the station, the train station. Now I will go there exploring what it is actually here in the forest. So I keep walking and walking and enjoying the time here. Actually, if you go there, up there is gonna be a brand new zoo, but today I'm not going to the zoo. I will go to the zoo with Damian later. So I just decided to walk in the forest, enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the smell of the pine trees, like forest bathing. Very nice. So this is actually what Poznan like. What I like, I mean, in Poznan is 25% of the land is green like this. Very fresh and very nice. So yeah, amazing. I really like it. Wow, it is just like, I don't know what should I say, walking in the middle of the green forest like this, and it's really like healing, kind of the self-healing for me, where I can smell the nice and green and crispy air. It's very amazing. That Malta Lake is so huge, and we almost to go to the zoo basically, but I'm not going to the zoo. Maybe another day with Damian, and then if we go straight there, it will be the lake. And yeah, I think that I will come again with Damian. I feel like I don't know where to go, and it's very much walking. I already lost in the jungle. So yeah, I think it's time to go home. I will come here again with Damian. Go back by the tram, and then we should take the tram number 8. So we have to go down and cross that way. This is the information. We will take the tram number 8. So from this thermalnya we will go to Rynek Jasitski. So I buy the ticket, 15 minutes, and then press the card like this. I think that's all my video today, guys. Already almost home. Thanks for watching. Oh, look at the sun. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.